Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith.
Hi, Nora.
And Nora Smith. And we're going to walk you through. Do you know the address of this home? It is 1319 Balsam Drive over in Big Bear Lake. You want to check it out?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so here we are, 1319 Balsam up in Big Bear Lake. And no, I can't hold you. You got to walk us through the video. Where do you think the property line is, Nora?
Right
Probably
here.
somewhere around here where these bumpers are. And so this one has been just a recent one on the market. 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3.5 bathroom. And just hit the market for just under 1.2 million. What do you think about that number, Nora?
Wow.
Whoa. So property line on this side, probably going to be close to where the driveway is right here. So you do have a spot for 2 cars on this parking pad.
No, 3.
You think 3 cars right here?
Yeah.
I don't know. What kind of cars are they? Okay.
Cybertruck.
Oh, 3 cyber trucks right there, huh? Well, I'm going to go on a limb and say probably 2 cars on that patio. And then I'm going to say maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 out here and 2 inside. It's potential. So
No, like 2 on the ground.
on the concrete, on the blacktop.
Yeah.
And so if we walk over here, you've got stairs that can lead down to the backyard.
There's even a hot tub.
What? Is that what we're going to find inside? So outside is log siding. And then we've also got the river rock. And then a 2-car garage.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
And do not go down that.
So here we have where's the deck? The dog's coming from. So we've got the deck here, and then you could also come downstairs. So we don't have access to the mudroom just yet, but we will get there. So covered entry. This is in really good shape. What kind of deck do you think this is, Nora? Do you know?
Wood.
Oh, good job. High five. So we've got a wood deck. All right. So here we are in the main living room. Just admire all this log in here. Kitchen around the corner. So I'm first going to lead you, actually right here, I've got a hall closet. So we've got laminate wood floor here, and then we've also got carpet. Good job. Carpet right there. And then granite. Actually, this is like a tile granite. Tile. And then we're going to come right into the kitchen. So notice the vaulted ceilings, tongue and groove ceilings all throughout the home. And here we are going into the kitchen. So dining room and living room are both in carpet, and then we've got wood laminate floors. Nice cabinets. And these seem like an add-on after the fact. These are nice blinds too, and they actually hold really well. So National Forest is just right here, as well as Bear Mountain. What if I told you this was your new home?
I I'll live here.
You would live here? Ooh, look at this. What is in here?
Train.
Oh my. Got a nice, beautiful dining room set. And then usually I kind of wait till the very end to take you outside. But I kind of think that we should go outside first. What do you think, Nora? Oh, look at that.
See the ski slopes.
Wow. What do you think of that?
It's so cool.
What a beautiful view.
And you can see this house if you go down the hill.
Oh yeah, like if you're skiing and you lived here, your kids could wave at you and you could see your own house. Is that what you're saying?
No, it's like if you go down the hill, like
Skiing?
there. No, like right there.
Mm-hmm.
You could see your house. So
Right.
you remember where it is.
Yeah, you'll never be lost. Okay,
Yeah.
that's careful right there. Like how this wood deck is done. It's got actually very beefy build.
You can also see another house right down there.
Just unobstructed views from here.
There's even a table out here if you want to eat breakfast or dinner.
Oh, what about lunch? You won't eat lunch there?
If you want to.
Only if you want to eat lunch.
Yeah.
That's the table where you could eat breakfast and lunch and dinner, right?
And snack.
Oh, you could have snack time there too.
And you could have lunch, like, if you're homeschooled.
Right. If you're homeschooled.
Oh, look at there's a crow.
Oh, look at that. So check this out. It's beautiful. Look at these, Nora. They have like 2 trees in here. You see that?
Where's the
Like, see how it's got like a tree trunk on both sides of the fireplace.
What if they're real?
What if they're real and they pop out of the top of the roof? But what if they don't?
No, they're real chairs.
Chairs or trees?
Trees.
So River Rock fireplace. We also do, you can't really tell, but we have the baseboard heating over here as well. And then check this out, like a little star in there. You already saw that, like a seek and find on the fireplace. And there's an A.
For Andy and Addie.
Oh, yeah. And then beautiful fireplace. Look at this trim work all around the entry. So, we're going in here right now. So this is, it's a bedroom attached to a bathroom. So,
Master room.
master room. Good job, Nora.
Hey, my favorite character,
Oh, yeah.
Elsa.
Got another Elsa lover that lives here. What if Elsa actually lived here?
She lives in a castle.
Oh, this might be a castle though. Then we've got a nice slider here. So we're in the master and you have ski slope views from right here. And this is Bear Mountain. So like literally like a 2-minute walk just to get to the ski slopes. That is it. And the other great part, Nora, is that it's all downhill. You don't have to walk uphill to get to the ski slopes. So here we are going into the master bathroom. Got a nice closet in here. Nice tile countertops. Wood framing. Double sinks.
You have this?
I have a double sink, right?
Yeah, you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2,
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Whoa, look at this bathtub. Nora, this bathtub is crazy. Look at all the different areas that it could squirt you from.
What if it squirts us right now?
What if it did? And then also, it could also squirt you from the ceiling. And it looks like you can make phone calls in here because it has a telephone. And then it also has a volume in here. So I bet you can play music. Can you play music in your shower?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
With a phone in there, Mom.
With a phone in there, that's right. So then let's go. Then we've got also up on the same level a half bathroom, toilet, sink, and check out this. Look at that, Nora. That is a piece of something. Do you know what that's called? Stained glass. Can you say stained glass?
Stained glass.
Stained glass. So each of these pieces is a piece of glass. And it's a different color, and then they make a picture out of all the glass. Isn't that cool?
What if it's break?
Yeah, you can't touch it too hard because it might break.
Yeah, because it's glass.
Because it's glass.
Let's not go down there, 'cause
So we're gonna go down here,
I want to hold
but let's go. Who wants to vote? I guess I'll let Nora vote. Do you want to go in the garage first or to the rest of the house?
rest of the house.
Okay, so let's go downstairs.
There's also a bedroom.
Whoa. Is this your favorite room?
Yeah, but can I play down here? Can you stay down here?
No.
When the video's on.
No.
Please.
Whoa, which room would be your room, Nora? I don't know about this one because I see a snake in it.
Where?
Look. Right there. See it? You don't see it? It's for fake.
Yeah, but I don't think what's there in the other one.
You what?
I think
Oh, you would sleep in the other room, the bunk bed room. Is that the one you like?
no, the one up there.
You would sleep in the upstairs room. Oh, because Elsa's dress is up there. Yeah. It's a good reason to make the decisions that you make. So this is a nice big wide room. These are 2 queen beds in here, 2 large closets, and then we're also going to step down into the bathroom. Nora, this is a bedroom with a bathroom.
Master room.
Master room.
And there, master room.
Okay, so here we've got nice tile down in the master bathroom. And then here we've got tile and the bathroom. There's a tree in the toilet room. Look at that tree right there, Nora.
Even right there.
Yeah, even right there. And underneath in here we also have the water heater, the underneath area of the home. And then here, sorry, I should have had that light. There's another tub that it looks like it has all the same areas that you can do from the one upstairs. Whoa, look at this secret room, Nora. What do you think about this? Are those trains?
Yeah.
It's a nice little cold room down here to keep wine.
Cold.
It's cold. Shiver, shiver.
We need to go.
And then let's go through the playroom. So we've got the dual fireplaces, actually 3 fireplaces because you have one in the living room, one in the playroom, one in the master. Nora, do you think this tree goes all the way through the house? Look, that's the same tree from underneath the fireplace. So let's go outside last. Here we have a laundry.
There's a bear.
What? I also see a moose.
There's one up there sticking
And then here we have kind of like a Jack and Jill bathroom because you can get into the bedroom from here. But just for the sake of it, I'm going to go through this room. And
Whoa!
look at all these nice upgraded features. Whoa. Whoa. What do you think? Is this the room you would want?
Yeah, and Maple was sleeping in that bed.
You would give Meatball the crib? Nora just got a puppy named Meatball. And she would put him in the crib. Would you sleep on the bottom bunk or the top bunk? The top. So here's the door to that bathroom. And then here we have, ooh, nice closets with mirrors and lots of storage on the inside. And then guess what? We have a bunk bed.
Charlotte has one of those. The big Charlotte.
The big Charlotte.
Yeah. That big squishmallow.
This is a great kids' room.
Mom and Dad would sleep with them.
Yeah. Chicka chicka boom boom.
Okay.
And then, let's see, we've also got outside. So coming outside, we've also got a nice covered deck down below. Doggy door, if you have a doggy. And then we've got the hot tub. Nora, do you like hot tubs?
Yes, and this is how you get your swimsuit on, goggles, and go.
Where's the water?
And you put your feet, and then you put your feet in, but first you fill it up with water.
Oh, okay. And then we're gonna go down to the yard really quick. Whoa. It's a nice storage down below. Swing, you could sit out here, watch your kids play, build a little slope right here to go sledding down there. Nice, beautiful trees on the property. Gorgeous views. You always got your hands up trying to be held, don't you, Nora? And a kiddo swing. So, Nora, how much money do you think this place is?
$100.
$100? Oh, you know what? We forgot to go to the garage. Let's go to the garage.
No.
Let's go see what's in the garage. Look at that lot next door, too. So, if it's a little bit more than $100,
$1,000.
a little bit more than $1,000, too.
35.
35,000?
Mom, what do
Well, I'm gonna keep the door open because we got to do a. So here we have the garage, nicely finished off. Look at this nice bear. I'm gonna prop him open. Look at the floors, Nora. Do you know what kind of floors these are? It's kind of like an epoxy. Look at that bear. He has nice teeth, doesn't he?
Yeah, and he's fake. Roar!
Oh, it's so scary.
Roar!
Smells good in here. Nice, clean garage. Like a nice man cave, right? Nora spotted some binoculars. Okay, there you have it. $13.19 balsam for $1.2 million. Okay, come check it out.
No,
Bye.